Harry Styles versus Justin Bieber morning routine battle. Today we're looking at two music and style icons, Harry Styles and Justin Bieber. Both heavy hitters in the pop world, but who will be crowned morning routine champion? In this video, we'll find out. Let's get shit done.
While both of these celebrities are known for their amazing vocal abilities, their daily habits differ quite a bit.
Quarter number one, we have Harry Styles. Harry Styles is best known as a member of the boy band One Direction. He was born in England in 1994 and his musical career began in 2010 when he auditioned for The X Factor. After finishing in third place on the show, Styles and his bandmates went on to achieve massive success, releasing 5 albums and embarking on 4 world tours. In addition to his work with One Direction, Styles has also pursued a solo career, releasing 3 albums since 2017. Outside of music, Styles has also appeared in several films, including Dunkirk and Eternals. He is widely considered to be one of the most talented and successful singers of his generation. So what's his morning routine look like? He is known for his laid-back attitude and his relaxed approach to life. He said that he likes to take things slow in the morning and enjoys relaxing before starting his day. He is not a fan of getting up early and often stays in bed until the last possible minute. Harry typically wakes up around 9 or 10 a.m. and will start his day with a cup of tea. He likes to take his time getting ready and will often take a leisurely shower before getting dressed. Sounds like somebody I know. He then heads downstairs to his kitchen where he makes himself some breakfast. After eating, Harry likes to watch TV or listen to music. He will also check his phone and social media to see what's going on in the world. Once he's done relaxing, he will start on whatever project he is currently working on. Whether it's writing new songs, recording in the studio, or preparing for a show, Harry puts all his focus into his work. He is known for being a perfectionist and will often spend hours perfecting his craft. Once he has finished working, Harry likes to unwind by spending time with his friends or family. He might go out to eat, see a movie, or just relax at home. So that is Harry Styles' morning routine.
In corner number 2, we have Justin Bieber. And it all started with a YouTube video. In 2008, a 12-year-old Justin Bieber posted a cover of Neo's So Sick to his YouTube channel. The video quickly went viral, garnering millions of views and attracting attention of record executives. Bieber was soon signed to RBMG Records and his debut single, One Time, was released in 2009. It quickly rose to the top of the charts, propelled by heavy radio airplay and Bieber's growing online following. His debut album, My World 2.0, followed soon after, locking in his status as a global superstar. In the years since, Bieber has continued to dominate the music world, releasing hit after hit and selling out stadiums around the world. So, what's his morning routine look like?
Let's find out.
While it wasn't easy to find out his morning routine, here's what we could find. Who knows, maybe we'll actually have Justin on here one day to share with his personal morning routine with us.
We'll accept that.
Anyways, most mornings, Justin wakes up around 8 a.m. He does a usual routine, washes his face, brushes his teeth, and showers. After that, if he's home in Canada, he likes to enjoy a cup of coffee from Tim Hortons. This is such a popular coffee shop in Canada, and it turns out that it's Justin's favorite. He even did a collaboration with them to create his own donut holes. We've actually been there, it's pretty cool. Next, Justin enjoys a small breakfast. After recently finding out that he has a gluten allergy, Justin's diet has had to change a bit. Now he will usually have eggs, avocado, bacon, and gluten-free toast. Yum, that sounds like something I would order. And just like that, he's done with his morning routine and ready to jump into his busy day. But wait, before we decide the winner, I'd be extremely grateful if you could hit the like button and maybe even subscribe if you like what you see. Also, comment below who you think should win. No cheating.
So, who do you think should win this morning routine battle? Let's do a quick recap. Harry Styles wakes up around 9 or 10 a.m., has a cup of tea, takes his time getting ready, has breakfast, and jumps into his work, which is mostly creative work. And Justin Bieber wakes up around 8 a.m., gets ready, has coffee from Tim Hortons, eats a healthy breakfast, and then jumps into his work.
Okay, let's decide what we like and don't like about these 2 morning routines. What do you think?
So for Harry, I don't really like the wake up time. I believe it was like 10 a.m. I feel like that's kind of a lot of morning to waste. I generally like to feel like I've accomplished something by that time. And I also don't like that he's drinking tea. I feel like tea is a very lame beverage.
Oh, no, sorry, England. Don't say.
And there's better alternatives. I also, the things I do like is that I like that he is trying to get to work early in the morning routine. That way he is able to get some shit done. But that's pretty much all for Harry. I mean, it's pretty bland morning routine.
Yeah, I think he just like has figured out what works for him, and like since he is so creative, maybe he just thinks if he goes with the flow and takes his time, then that's how he gets the most creative. But everybody has to figure out what works for them, and maybe he stays up late. I don't know.
Yeah, who knows? For Justin, I do like the time better. I think it was 8 a.m. So he's getting a little bit more of a jump on his day. And I do like he's getting a healthy breakfast. He's getting a lot of protein. I think it was bacon, eggs, avocado. So that's a really good breakfast to have if you're gonna eat breakfast. And the only thing I don't like is the coffee, because again, there's a better alternative, AKA the EarlyBird morning cocktail. But overall, I think both of these routines are, like I said, pretty bland. I think they are successful, not because of their morning routine habits, but maybe despite their morning routine habits. So yeah. Do you have a winner in mind?
I do. Do you?
Okay. Yes, I have my person.
Okay, here's the winner on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Justin Bieber. Okay, let's go. Don't leave me hanging. Justin Bieber, congrats. This is probably the biggest moment of your life.
And hopefully we can get an exact morning routine from you soon.
Yeah, hit us up with your actual, dialed in morning routine. I'm sure you wake up at 4 a.m.
Recently, we developed something super cool. It's a 60-second quiz that will tell you which morning routine is right for you. After we figure out some details about you, we'll prescribe you a morning routine that includes 3 habits. We'll even send you a free guide that'll detail exactly how to take advantage of each habit. The link to that is below this video. I'll see you on the inside.
Peace. When you wake up in the morning, you're super dehydrated. You lose over a pound of water overnight. This makes it super hard to wake up in the morning.
We've always wanted that ability to easily wake up early and get shit done.
The EarlyBird Morning Cocktail is your secret to waking up early and being ultra productive, setting you up for a kick-ass day.